Welcome to this video on the news cycle, where we will explore the transformation of raw events into verified information. We'll be looking at the 5 pillars of media production. Journalism is often seen as just writing, but a news story is manufactured through a rigorous, linear process. This process converts chaotic events into consumable, verified information, ensuring credibility and accuracy. The news cycle is built upon 5 critical pillars: data collection, reporting, writing, editing, and production. Each step is essential for transforming information into a publishable story. We begin with the first pillar, data collection, which is the embryonic stage of any news story. Data collection forms the foundation. It includes observation, such as monitoring police scanners, and research, which involves consulting archives and public records. The story starts with raw information. Data collection is what distinguishes journalism from fiction, rooting the narrative in verifiable fact. It provides context and helps determine the feasibility of pursuing a story before resources are deployed. Next, we move to the second pillar, reporting, which is the investigation phase. Reporting is the active phase where journalists leave the desk to interact with the world. This involves conducting interviews with primary sources, like eyewitnesses, and expert sources, like analysts. The core of reporting is verification, or, quote, trust but verify. A reporter cross-checks data against reality, which serves as the crucial firewall against misinformation. For a report to be complete, it must answer the core questions of who, what, where, when, why, and how. These elements ensure comprehensive coverage. The third pillar is writing, often referred to as the craft of synthesis. News writing utilizes the inverted pyramid structure for rapid consumption. The lead contains the most important information, followed by the body with crucial context, and finally, the tail with extra background. Clarity and objectivity are vital. The journalist must remain invisible, letting the facts speak for themselves. Neutrality is maintained by avoiding charged adjectives in favor of objective language. Pillar 4 is editing, the stage for quality control and gatekeeping. Editors are the first line of defense, ensuring consistency through sub-editing and copy editing. They maintain the house style, ensuring all formatting rules are consistently applied. Gatekeeping involves selection, where editors decide what is newsworthy and fit the story to the available space. They also ensure the content's legal safety and optimize presentation with accurate headlines and captions. Finally, we have the 5th pillar, production, which is the delivery system for the news. Production is the technical execution stage, driven by strict deadlines. This involves physical layout and printing for print media, or video rendering, and web publication for broadcast and digital news. Aesthetics and usability matter significantly in production. Visual hierarchy guides the reader, and effective user experience, including mobile responsiveness, determines whether the audience engages with the journalism. The news cycle is complete when the story is delivered. Remember, if any one of these stages fails, the credibility of the entire organization collapses. Here are the image sources used in the video. Here is the final image source.